Now, I felt rather bad that I hadn't given a way of creating animated GIFs in Mac natively, but I found a way of doing it for free with a built-in app for the Mac called Keynote, which is Apple's equivalent of PowerPoint. But Keynote is free as far as I'm aware on a Mac. And I'm going to demonstrate on this virtual Mac machine that I've got how to create an animated GIF for a Mac computer. So if you haven't got it installed already, go and add Keynote to your taskbar, or you can go to the Finder app and search for Keynote, but I've added it in here. And basically what we want to do is just create a presentation, and each of the slides is going to be part of the Keynote. It is going to be part of the animated GIF. You can save a presentation in Keynote as an animated GIF. So let's select this one. And we're just going to do a simple example. So saying hello, and let's get rid of this. Now, one thing you need to make sure is on the background for the slides, go down and select no fill. So this is kind of equivalent to what we were doing on the PC, in as much it doesn't give you a nice background or give you any indication, but the background is actually transparent now. And what I would suggest is duplicate this first slide, and then on the second slide we can say, we can change the text to something we want to animate. Computer. So now we've got, and we can play that. So it's like a normal, it's a normal, oh, yes, okay. To play it from the beginning, from my Mac computer. And both of these have got transparent backgrounds. Now, obviously, you can do all of the other effects you can do with Keynote. I'm not a Keynote expert at all. I suspect it's similar to PowerPoint from a PC. But anyway, the trick and the magic, which is what I actually quite like about this Keynote way of doing it, is you can go to File and then Export to, and you'll see there's animated GIF option. And you need to make sure you pick all the slides, so not just the one slide. Resolution will depend on same kind of whatever works. Let's say large, oh, not extra large, say large. The ones I've been using to express animate on the PC were 30 frames per second, but with this, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. Not entirely sure this Auto Advanced does. And we want to export with transparent backgrounds. So yes, I think this is what this is saying is how long it takes to go between these two. So it's just going to flip between these two in half a second, and then we go next, and then you just can pick a location to write the thing to. So I'll pick somewhere totally inappropriate, but because I've got a shared OneDrive that I connect to from here. I use this virtual PC for the software Vellum, actually, which is amazing for creating books, which is only available on Mac computers. So Mac GIF and export. And that will create an animated GIF of that. So I'm going to log into Giphy. And here's my account. And what we're going to do, yeah, I'll save that, is go to, get rid of this. It's a similar process to as it would be on a PC. Upload. And then we need to go to Finder and find our GIF, which conveniently I don't have to find the weird location and put it in. And we can just drag this across. And you see here, it's like not ideal. Here you need to put in your website address. Doesn't need to be anything special. And you enter tags in here. Now these tags are what people search on in Giphy. So Stone and Press, it's my company name. We can put Mac computer, generic one. Stone and Press stickers is one I use for the stickers. Stickers. Yeah, it's set it as G rating. That's important. G. And you want it public. And then you click upload to Giphy. And then it takes ages, depending on how big the GIF is. This isn't very big. And it's important to see that it's a sticker here. That means it can be used in Instagram and things like that. Now, it will take quite a while for this to be available on Giphy for search. I think they do a review process that takes about a day. So, Stone and Press stickers is using it. So I can show you how to edit it. It's actually Stone and Press stickers is what I normally do. Because I'm doing it on a virtual PC, and get rid of Stone and stickers. And yeah. So that is how you can create a animated sticker in Keynote. I'm sure there are plenty of tutorials online about how to do more on Keynote. Obviously, it's not quite the weird extent of stuff that you can do with a package like Express Animate on a PC, but I'm sure there are packages by Adobe and the like where you can do all sorts of amazing stuff on a Mac and create an animated GIF. So this is a free solution for Mac users.